Hello friends, how are you? In this video lecture, friends, we are discussing about amino acid. Amino acid. What is amino acid? And amino acid is a simple organic molecule. It is a simple organic molecule. Simple, simple organic molecule. Molecule. Simple organic molecule and amino acid is monomer. You can say amino acid is a monomer of protein. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure means amino acid is a monomer of protein. It is the monomer of protein. Protein means you know that the simple structure of protein, primary structure, there are different types of amino acid which are bonded together by the peptide bond. These are different types of amino acid. Total 20 types of amino acid that participate in protein synthesis. And the two amino acid are bonded together by the peptide bond in protein, primary structure of protein. It is peptide bond. It is peptide bond. Peptide bond. And these all are amino acid. These all are amino acid. And these chain are polypeptide chain. These chain are polypeptide chain. Polypeptide peptide chain. If we will discuss about the structure of amino acid, there are the 20 types of amino acid on the basis of their structure. Structure of amino acid. Structure of amino acid. Amino acid have amino group, carboxylic group, H group, and one is variable group. There are four types of group. Which group? First is amino group NH2. That group is known as the amino group. Amino group. Amino group. Other group which present in amino acid, that is the carboxylic group. That is carboxylic group COOH. COOH known as the carboxylic group. Other group is hydrogen. H means hydrogen. And fourth group, that is variable group. This group are different in different amino acid. Fourth group, that known as the variable group. Here I am writing R group. R group. It is known as the variable group. Variable group. This group are different in different amino acid. Different in different amino acid. This this group are different in in different amino acid. Different different amino acid. This amino acid means here is carbon which bonded together by the four covalent bond. Covalent first is the here I am writing amino group NH2 group, or you can write COOH group, that is carboxylic group. One is amino group NH2 group. Third is H group. You can see here amino group, carboxylic group, H group. All three are present. Every amino acid There are 20 types of amino acid. Every amino acid, these three group are similar. These three group are similar in 20 types of amino acid. Only one group are different. That is known as the R group. That is known as the R group. Then this is a structure of amino acid. This molecule is amino acid. Amino acid molecule. Central carbon is known as the alpha carbon. This carbon is known as the alpha carbon. Why? Because this carbon directly attached with the carboxylic group carbon, and this carboxylic group is the main functional group. This carboxylic group is the main functional group. Then those carbon which directly attach with the functional group carbon, that known as the alpha carbon, and this is the alpha carbon. Okay na? Then the alpha carbon bonded together by four different group, you can say this is the chiral center. If those alpha carbon which bonded together by four different group, they are known as the chiral center. The amino is the chiral molecule. Amino acid is the chiral molecule. You can say here alpha carbon, here alpha carbon bonded bonded by four different group. So amino acid is amino acid is chiral molecule. Chiral molecule. About chiral molecule, we will further you will further discuss in chemistry chapter. Okay, na? Chemistry. But simple, you know that the this alpha carbon is bonded together by the four different groups, then known as the chiral center, and this carbon also known as chiral carbon. Amino acid have the this molecule have the chiral carbon, and this molecule are the chiral molecule. Okay, na? This molecule are the chiral molecule. Now this molecule chiral molecule now you know that the it is the carboxylic group, that is acidic group, and another is the amino group, that is the basic group. Carboxylic group is known as the acidic group, amino group known as the basic group. Same molecule have the acidic group also and basic group also. COOH known as the COOH group known as the acidic group, acidic group. NH2 group known as the amino group, also known as the amino group, also known as the amino group. Means similar molecule have both acidic group and amino group. Acidic group have tendency to donate hydrogen and amino group have tendency to accept hydrogen. Similar molecule have the both types of the charges because this molecule donate hydrogen and changes in negative charges C minus, and this molecule NH2 accept hydrogen and tend to change positive charges NH3 plus. Similar molecule have the two charges plus and minus, and net charge is zero. That types of molecules is known as the deuter ion. That known as the deuter ion means you look here at the what is the deuter ion? Deuter deuter's ion. What is the deuter's ions? Means any amino acid you can draw here C C O and OH. These group are the acidic group, have tendency to donate hydrogen, and NH2 group known as the basic group have tendency to accept hydrogen. This group are the H, and these are variable group R group. And simple thing that the it donate hydrogen and it accept hydrogen. Then further it change into this molecule NH3 plus and C double O minus and H and R. Net charge of this molecule at 0, and this molecule known as the deuterion. Deuterions. Net charge here, net charge is 0. Net charge of deuterion is 0. Net charge of deuterium molecule is the 0. You can say net charge 0. Next, we take some example of amino acid on the basis of R group. Some example of amino acid on the basis of on the basis of R group. R group. Likewise, first example is simply C 3 group. Suppose this group is C double OH, carboxyl group C double OH. These group are the amino group NH2 group, and these are the hydrogen. If suppose R is hydrogen, R is H, here is H, variable group is suppose H, then this amino acid known as the glycine, known as the glycine. This R group suppose H, R group is H, then known as the glycine, known as the glycine. You can look here that the carbon have 4 different group NH2 COOH group, and these group are different group, but two group are similar. There are not different types of group here. Carbon attach 4 different types of group. Then this molecule is not a chiral molecule. This molecule is achiral. Only one amino acid glycine have not optically active molecule. Or you can say optically active, or you can say it have not chiral carbon. It have not chiral carbon, or only glycine is not chiral molecule. It is achiral molecule, not chiral. Chiral center. Other molecule you can look here that the C different types of bond. I am bonding here amino group, similar group in every amino acid COOH group, and third is the H group, and fourth is suppose CH3. Suppose it is CH3, then this amino is known as the alanine, known as the alanine, known as the alanine. Suppose third amino acid I am drawing here. Suppose this three different group COOH group, amino group NH2, and third is hydrogen. If fourth group is suppose CH2OH, then this amino is known as the serine. If R group is CH2OH, then known as the serine. Serine. Okay na? Because here alcoholic group serine. There are different types of amino acids, total 20 types of amino acids on the basis of this R group only. And further I will discuss in the next video lecture. Okay. Thank you friends. Like and subscribe this video. Further I will discuss.